small plane.
Thank you. Thank you. Lieutenant Theodore Cole, 2nd Squadron. You expats? What are you? You're British, Dutch?
No, we're Americans.
What the heck are you doing in Burma?
This isn't Burma. It's Ohio.
Yeah, this is Rangoon. I was just in a dogfight over that ridge.
You want to sit down? Or...
Date? I grew up near Date.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. You're a real soldier?
Yeah, kid. I'm Lieutenant Theodore Cole, 1st American Volunteer Group.
Study it all you want. We've done it countless times. The answer isn't up there. All your scientific instruments aren't going to tell us anything new. He is him. What did you think you were doing in there? Look. You stole a picture. Look! From a police station. It's him! See? No, it's not him. Look, Elijah, 1938. This is not him. It's not possible.
Pauline? Pauline, hello? Hello? Is there anybody here? Pauline? Anybody home? I'll wait outside.
What is it? It's an obituary. He crashed in Burma and he was shot and killed between evade capture.
It's not here to make things right. Lieutenant, open the door.
Trust me. Where are you going?
There's an old moonshine road up here that leads to Miller's River.
I don't see a road.
Like I said, just trust me. Hang on.